Change is inevitable. Successful change is engineered. At Agate Business Consulting, we turn disruption into opportunity through a four-step, client-centric approach. First, we analyze. By combining stakeholder interviews, creative surveys, process mining, and market intelligence, we build a 360-degree diagnostic of your organization. The result: clear visibility of performance gaps, cultural dynamics, and breakthrough opportunities to elevate customer satisfaction and workforce productivity. Armed with insight, we architect the future, co-creating a pragmatic roadmap that charts where your business needs to go and exactly how to get there. Every milestone is tied to measurable outcomes, risk mitigations, and the resources required for smooth execution. Then we action. Our consultants work shoulder to shoulder with your teams, steering process redesigns, technology implementations, and leadership capability building. We remove roadblocks in real time so momentum never falters. Finally, we assess, continuously tracking key metrics, running pulse checks, and fine-tuning the program until benefits are locked in and self-sustaining. The outcome: typical clients' report cycle times cut by a third, Net Promoter Scores boosted by double digits, and revenue per employee on a steady climb. Analyze, architect, action, assess. 4 disciplined steps. 1 trusted partner. Talk to us at Agate Business Consulting and engineer your next success.